Okay, sige, number one. Number one, a 47-year-old client is admitted with a diagnosis of possible gastric ulcer. Gastric ulcer, relieved by food or no? No. Yes or no? No. Ano yung relieved by food? Common bacteria that causes ulcer. H. pylori. Bibigyan ko ng erythromycin. Bibigyan ko ng erythromycin. Yes, kasi these are macrolides. Azithromycin, clarithromycin. Ano yung next sa drug of choice pag allergic sa penicillin? Sagot? Erythromycin. Okay. The physician orders guaiac test. Guaiac test is also known as your occult blood exam. Answer is letter C. Mag-occult blood exam ako, anong specimen ko? A. Urine. B. Feces. C. Stool. Pwede ba ang red meat 3 days before the test? High doses of vitamin C. Perfect. Number 2. When a client with gastric ulcer requests for a cigarette, the best response of the nurse will be which of the following? Cigarette nicotine increases hydrochloric acid, it predisposes ulcer. So of course, letter B. Letter B. Yung letter A, letter A, nagbigay ka pa rin naman. Yung letter D, same lang na merong nicotine yung cigars. Okay, answer letter B. Answer letter B. Ano yung executive ulcer? Duodenal or your... Ano yun? Nagkaroon ng ulcer, nagkaroon ng perforation. Anong pwedeng complication? Soft body abdomen or rigid borderline? Merong increased WBC? Yes! Okay, good. Number 3. A client is scheduled for a subtotal gastrectomy. Tinanggal yung part ng stomach. Now, in anticipation of clarifying information for client education, the nurse knows that vagotomy, ang tinatanong dito ay vagotomy, okay, is done as part of the surgical treatment for peptic ulcer in order to, pag nagkaroon ng vagotomy, anong magdi-decrease? PNS or SNS? Anong magdi-decrease? Para or simpa? Para. Sa para, anong increase ang function? GIN? GU. So, nagbagotomy, anong mangyayari sa release ng hydrochloric acid? Mag-decrease. Anong sagot? Letter A. Letter A. Ngayon, nag-subtotal gastrectomy ako. Ano yung side effect? Yung increased gastric emptying? Dumping syndrome. Ngayon, nag-gastrectomy ako. Total gastrectomy. Tinanggal ko yung buong tiyan. Aside from dumping syndrome, ano pa yung pwedeng side effect or pernicious anemia? Ano yung wala sa pernicious anemia na sineseparate ni intrinsic factor? Gagaling. Anong position para to prevent dumping syndrome? Anong diet? High carbs, high fat? High fat. Kasi matagal ang metabolism. Good job. Number 3, letter A. Next, ano yung kinonect mo yung stomach to jejunum? Bilirubin 2. Perfect. Number 4. Which of the following facts best explain why the duodenum is not removed during subtotal gastrectomy? Letter B. Okay, letter B. So, common bile duct empties. Ano yung mga nag-empty sa common bile duct natin? Yung galing sa gallbladder, bile, at saka yung galing doon sa pancreas, yung tatlo. Lipase, trypsin, and if I want to check my pancreas, anong enzyme ang titignan ko? I-check ko ngayon si liver. Anong check kong enzyme? Wala si ALT. Anong next na choice? Bilirubin. Perfect. Memorize. Number 5. Ano tawag dun sa sphincter na nagko-contract kaya hindi mo bibigyan ng Demerol? Sphincter of Oddi. Ano bibigay mong pain reliever? Demerol or morphine? Perfect. Number 5. During the immediate cause of period following, pag hindi sumasagot, nako, grade 4 na ang feeding edema. Why must the nurse be particularly conscientious about encouraging a client to cough and deep breathe at regular interval? Sabi natin, any abdominal surgery pwede magkaroon ng complication because of immobility. Okay? Ano yung instruction natin to prevent hypostatic pneumonia? Diba? Deep breathing cupping exercise. Ano pa yung intervention natin to prevent hypostatic pneumonia after any abdominal surgery? Ano yung gagamitin niyo? Tatlong bola? Spirometer to increase ng expansion. Tapos turn the patient every 2 hours. Okay. Sagot dito, letter B. The high abdominal incision will lead to shallow breathing because of the pain. Diba? Because of the pain. Okay, next natin, number 6. Number 6, prior to having subtotal gastrectomy, sinagutan natin ito kanina, letter D, rapid emptying of food, dumping syndrome. Dumping syndrome. Ano yun? Fluid between meals or fluid after meals? Between meals. Gusto ng dry or wet na food? Dry. Number 7. A client is taking an antacid treatment of PUD. Which of the following statement best explains that the client understands how to correctly take the before or after meal? Letter D. And pwede ba i-combine ang antacid with any other drug? Anong side effect ng aluminum hydroxide? Aluminum. Constipation. E pag i-take ng calcium-based antacid, anong instruction? Fluid intake. Okay, next natin. 7 is letter D. Number 8. A client has been diagnosed with adenocarcinoma, cancer. Okay, and is scheduled to undergo subtotal gastrectomy, Bilros 2. During pre-op, the nurse is reinforcing about the surgical procedure. Which of the following explanation? Sinabi na natin to. Letter B. Number 9. A 54-year-old milk client is admitted to the emergency department with a bleeding duodenal ulcer. He is brought to the hospital after vomiting bright red blood. Now, while the client is bleeding, it's essential for the nurse to assess him frequently for signs of early shock. Which of the following? Paano ba yung symptoms ng early shock dyan? Letter A, hypo-tachy-tachy. Ano yung late sign ng shock? Cold, clammy skin at saka cyanosis. Anong mas dangerous? Peripheral or central cyanosis? Paano i-check ang peripheral cyanosis? Capillary refill time. Okay, answer is letter E. Anong position ng shock? Mas maganda yung modified Trendelenburg position. Answer, letter A. Number 10. Ano pinakamahirap na i-treat na shock? Neurogenic shock, because the only treatment management for that is a spinal cord repair or laminectomy. Ano yung technique na ginagawa after laminectomy to move the patient? Lab rolling. Kailangan mag-brace up to 6 months? Yes. Okay. Next natin, number 10. Which of the following clinical manifestation would most likely indicate that the ulcer has perforated? Perforated, letter D. Meron na siyang peritonitis. Number 11. The client reports frequent episodes of epigastric pain that awaken him during the night. Ano kayang ulcer yan? Duodenal ulcer. Next, based on this data, which nursing diagnosis would be most appropriate? A feeling of fullness and anxiety about his health. Letter A, altered nutrition, wala ang data for less than body requirements. Wala rin naman nakalagay na anorexia. Diba? Wala sa situation yung letter A natin. Answer natin? Letter? Okay. Tingnan natin. Letter C nakalagay, ineffective individual coping related. Meron ba exacerbation sa duodenal? Ang duodenal ulcer ba ay autoimmune? Di ba ang may exacerbation at remission ay autoimmune? Ang sagot natin ay letter B. Yung letter C, wala naman siyang sinabi dyan na to cope up with the pain, mag-deep breathing or nanonood ako ng Netflix. Okay, pero may pain pa rin. Pwede yun, ineffective coping. But remember, wala naman tayong exacerbation, di ba? Answer is letter B. Number 12. Which of the following goals would be most appropriate for this client? The client will Siyempre, letter A. Okay, letter A. Verbalize absence of your epigastric pain. For the epigastric pain, pwede ba bigyan ng aspirin? Kasi nga gastric irritant. Good job. Number 13. The client will take cimetidine. Cimetidine H2 blocker. Answer? Before meals. Kung nakuha yung number 13, actual board exam question yan. Next natin, number 14. If a gallstone becomes lodged in the common bile duct, the nurse should anticipate the client's stools will be most likely become what color? Anong tawag doon? Steatocrea kasi hindi na-digest ang fats. Okay, number 15. When the client's common bile duct is obstructed, the nurse should evaluate the clients for signs of the following complication. A. Respiratory distress. Respiratory distress, wala namang ascites, walang compression ng diaphragm, and walang enough information or connection for respiratory distress. Wala ring letter B kasi kung overload, baka may tachycardia yan, di ba? Letter C, wala tayong information on UTI. Answer is letter D, prolong. Bakit prolong ang bleeding time? Hindi na-release ang bile. Pag hindi na-release si bile, hindi ma-absorb si vitamin K. Kasi kailangan si bile for the absorption of your fat-soluble vitamins. That includes your vitamin K. Kaya at risk siya for what? Bleeding. Answer, letter D. Letter D. Next, ano yung intervention mo before doing liver biopsy to prevent bleeding? Ano yung intervention before liver biopsy to prevent bleeding? Stop, very good. At saka yung isa, mag-i-inject ka ng vitamin K. O, anong position mo after liver biopsy? Left or right side lying? Right. Kasi bakit? Pressure. Okay, pressure. Nagkaroon ako ng thoracentesis sa left. Paano ko ipoposition ng pasyente? Right. Doon sa unaffected side. Nagkaroon ako ng right pneumonectomy. Right pneumonectomy. Anong position ng pasyente? Right or left? Right. Kasi affected. Wala naman na kasing mag-expand. Tama? Parang hindi mahirapan mag-expand yung natirang lungs. Sige. Next natin. Number 16. A client undergoes traditional cholecystectomy and cholecystectomy and returns from surgery with a T-tube. T-tube drainage for the bile. Diba? To evaluate the effectiveness of T-tube, the nurse should understand that the primary reason for T-tube is to accomplish which of the following goals. Answer natin. Promote wound drainage, promote a way to irrigate that. Wala namang hindi naman tayo nag-irrigate dyan. Minimize the passage of the bile into the duodenum and prevent the bile into the... Ano yung nakalagay? Parang mali yung dina-edit to. Ano yung letter D? Plus bonus yung number 16, hindi ko na-edit. Answer is letter D dapat dyan. Ipakilagay na, prevent the bile from entering the peritoneal cavity. Prevent the bile from entering the peritoneal cavity. Okay? Kasi pwede mag-backflow, pumunta sa peritoneal cavity and could lead to your peritonitis. Okay, answer is letter D dapat. Bonus number 16. Number 17. After cholecystectomy, it is recommended that the client follows a low-fat diet. Low-fat. O saan ang low-fat dyan? Roasted beef. Yung A, yung omelette, may itlog, may fat. Butter, may fat. Ham meron siyang fat. Okay, answer letter D. Number 18. A client undergoes a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Which of the following dietary instruction should the nurse give the client immediately after surgery? You cannot eat. Pwede din, di ba? Kasi minimize ang complication pag laparoscopic. Actually, pwede ka nang umuwi. Di ba? Answer natin. Letter. Letter C class. Yung letter D, you can progress. Hindi na kailangan yan kasi nga, yan, pag open cholecystectomy. Pag open cholecystectomy or any surgery, clear liquid, full liquid, and then soft diet, and then diet as tolerated. Pwede na yan kumain, drink liquid today, and of course, eat lightly for a few days for your laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Remember, lessen ang side effect niyan, lesser din ang bleeding, lesser ang downtime ng recovery, pwede nang umuwi after ng surgery. Number 19, when providing a client with acute pancreatitis, meron tayong auto-digestion. The nurse would anticipate which of the following orders? Letter A ba? Pwede ba to? Increase? Di ba dapat naka-NPO ang pasyente? Yung letter C, wala namang shock. Di ba? Letter D, place client on, ano yung precaution? Not specific yung letter D. Answer letter B. Insert a nasogastric tube and connect it to low suction. Sir, bakit kailangan letter B? Bakit kailangan yung letter B sa may acute pancreatitis? Bakit? Kasi pag meron tayong acute pancreatitis, what will happen to your digestion? Increase or decrease? Decrease. Kasi nga hindi lalabas yung ating pancreatic enzyme, and that leads to what? Abdominal bloating and or abdominal distension. To relieve the pressure, mag-insert tayo ng nasogastric tube for decompression. Answer letter B. Ano, ngayon, pag naka-NPO ang pasyente, ano yung kanyang source of nutrition? TPN. Ano yung observe mo pag naka-TPN ang pasyente? Infection at saka hyperglycemia. Good job. Next, number 20. The nurse should teach the client with chronic pancreatitis to monitor the effectiveness of pancreatic enzyme. So, bibigyan mo ng synthetic pancreatic enzyme kasi nga hindi lumabas ang pancreatic enzyme sa common bile duct papunta sa duodenum. Now, the question here is, paano malalaman kung effective daw? A, monitoring fluid intake. Hindi naman ito diuretic. Walang kinalaman sa hydration. Letter B, performing regular glucose finger stick test. Hindi naman ito yung insulin, di ba? O C or D lang yan. Letter C. So, ibig sabihin na digest ang fat because yung A, pancreatic enzyme na synthetic. Yung letter B at letter D sa diabetes mellitus. Next, number 21. The nurse is assessing a client's early stage of liver, o early stage. Kapag early stage na may kinalaman sa GI, di ba ascites, late na yan kasi decrease ang protein synthesis. Anong sagot mo? Edema ba? Di ba pag merong ascites, that's also an edema. Di ba? Decrease ang albumin. Sagot? Letter C, anorexia. Ano ba yung anorexia? Loss of appetite. Okay, answer is letter C. Bakit pa may anorexia? May nausea, vomiting, at saka may abdominal pain. Early signs. A, B, and D are late signs. Number 22. What diet should be implemented to a client with who is in early? Class, diba, yung mga element of time, i-underline natin because that will affect your answer. O early stage of liver cirrhosis. Letter A. High calorie, high carbohydrate. Ibali yung answer natin ay letter A. Okay lang yung letter B, high protein, pero importante kasi yung high carbohydrate. At saka yung letter A, high calorie, that also mean high protein. Okay? Pag late stage na, anong bawal pag late stage? Low ang fat at saka low ang protein. Anong byproduct ng protein metabolism? Ammonia. Paano bibigay ang neomycin sulfate? Inima. Anong kasabay na laxative ng neomycin? Lactulose. Okay, lactose. Pag may hepatic encephalopathy, mataas ang ammonia, kailangan ba meron kang seizure precaution? Yes. Pwede mag-seizure ang pasyente. Number 23. The client has developed ascites. The nurse should recognize that the pathologic basis for development of ascites in clients with cirrhosis is portal hypertension and walang kinalaman ang sodium kasi hindi naman yan function sa liver. Pag kidney, oo. Letter B, an increase in metabolism of aldosterone. Aldosterone may kinalaman din doon sa sodium level. So, A and B, wrong. Answer natin? Letter B. Decrease serum albumin. Okay, next natin. Kasi responsible sa liver for protein synthesis. 24. A client with cirrhosis vomits red blood and the physician decides to insert a Sengstaken Blakemore tube. Ano yung equipment na pag meron kang Sengstaken? Scissor. Kasi pwede magkaroon ng airway obstruction. The nurse should explain to the client that the tube acts by answer. Letter A, providing a large diameter of it's not for labad, di ba? Hindi yan for labad, di ba? That is used to decrease bleeding of the esophageal varices. Letter C, blocking blood flow to gastric bleeding sites. Okay? Answer natin, B or D? B or D? Answer? Letter B lang. Class yung letter D, pressure to esophagus, di na-block na yung daanan ng pagkain. Di ba? We are not blocking your esophagus, but we are applying direct pressure on the bleeding esophageal varices. So, ang sabi mo dyan ay letter B. Applying direct pressure to your gastric bleeding. Kasi bakit? Di ba part pa rin naman ng gastric ang sa may esophagus mo? Di ba? Letter D kasi, pressure to esophagus. Okay, hindi naman we are not blocking your esophagus, di ba? Answer is letter B, class B. Next natin, 25. Pag meron naman tayong laryngospasm, hypocalcemia, ano yung nasa bedside mo? Laryngospasm naman, hypocalcemia, after thyroidectomy. Ano yung gamot na nasa bedside? Calcium? At saka anong equipment? Wala na tayo. After thyroidectomy, natanggal yung parathyroid gland. So, pag parathyroid gland nag-decrease ang calcium, may hypocalcemia. Worst effect ng hypocalcemia is laryngospasm. Ano dapat ang nasa bedside? Tracheostomy set. Tracheostomy set. Pwede ba ang endotracheal tube? Pwede ba endotracheal tube? Yes or no? No. Kasi bakit yung endotracheal yung hanggang sa may larynx lang? Laryngospasm nag-lock yung larynx, so tracheostomy tube lang, di ba? So, dapat alam yung difference ng tracheostomy tube at saka endotracheal tube. O, baka ilagay doon endotracheal tube, yun ang nilagay mong answer. Pero dapat kailangan meron ka ring medication na calcium gluconate. Okay, next natin. Number 24 is letter B. Number 25. Not on the esophagus, but on the bleeding esophageal varices. The physician orders oral neomycin and neomycin enema for the client with cirrhosis. Alam mo na to, letter C. Diba? Answer letter C. 26. A client's serum ammonia is elevated and orders lactulose. Which of the following side effects of this drug would the nurse expect to see? Siyempre, lactulose laxative. Di mag-increase ang bowel movement. Answer is letter C. 27. Most important to monitor for patients with gastric cancer. Letter B. Letter B. Di ba that's your tumor marker? Tumor marker. Saan naman yung CKMB? MI. Myocardial infarction. CKMB at saka ano yung isa? Troponin. Number 28. Annabelle is being discharged with a colostomy, and you're teaching her about colostomy care. Which statement correctly describes a healthy stoma? A. Ilang araw pwede gamitin yung stoma? 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days. Mag-irrigate ako ng colostomy. Mag-colostomy irrigation ako. Can you insert the tube more than 4 inches? Baka magkaroon ng perforation. Anong height ng pail natin? Not more than 80 inches. Nagkaroon ng cramps. Anong unang gagawin? Low. Meron pa din cramps? Cramp. Okay. Pwede mag-swimming? Basta i-empty ang bag. Kailan ka mag-empty ng bag sa colostomy? Pag 1/3 full na siya. Nandoon yung stomach ko sa may transverse colon. Anong equipment ang kailangan? Karayagam or charcoal? Charcoal. Anong problema mo kasi? The odor. Okay, next natin. Number 29. You're preparing a patient with malignant tumor for colorectal surgery and subsequent colostomy. Ano yung first sign ng colorectal cancer? Change in bowel movement. Yung indigestion sa gastric cancer. Okay, the patient tells you he's anxious. What should your initial step to be in working with this patient? Letter? Letter A. Determine what the patient already knows about. So, check mo muna yung knowledge that is applicable to all when you do your health teaching. Okay, number 30. Which of the following laboratory results would be expected in a client with peritonitis? Letter? Number 30 is letter... Wala yung choice ko dito. Ano yung number 30 dyan? Pahiram nila ako. Sorry. Pahiram. Number 30 is letter D. White blood cell above 15. Okay, that means may infection, leukocytosis. Okay. Number 31, a client with gastric cancer may exhibit which of the following symptoms? Letter gastric abdominal cramping, constant hunger, feeling of fullness, weight gain. Ay, thank you. Okay. Answer natin, number 31 is letter
fullness. Seeing a constant hunger.
letter parang dalawa yung B dito. Anong ginawa niyo dyan? A, B, C yung feeling of fullness. Letter C, feeling of fullness. Kasi bakit meron tayong indigestion? Okay, answer is letter C. Number 32. In a client with Crohn's disease, which of the following symptoms should not be a direct result of antibiotic therapy? Not a result. Decrease in bleeding. Pag-decrease ang infection, decrease ang bleeding. Tama? Decrease in temperature. Yes, kasi pag decrease ang infection, decrease ang temperature. Decrease in body weight, decrease in number. Answer is letter C, decrease in body weight. Okay? Decrease in body weight. Antibiotic therapy. So, ibig sabihin ng antibiotic therapy, merong infection. So, pag decrease ang infection, probably decrease ang bleeding and kasi ang cause ng Crohn's natin, it could be an infection. Okay? Sir, bakit mag-infection? Di ba related sa autoimmune? Di ba meron nga kasi tayong may ulceration. Not that more severe than ulcerative colitis. Ano bang mas severe? Ulcerative or Crohn's? Ulcerative. Yung meron tayong 5 to 10 soft stools in a day. Ano yun? Yung meron tayong increase ang bleeding. Lesser ang bleeding ang Crohn's. Yung common among Jewish individual. Ano yun? Related sa autoimmune. Crohn's. Kailangan ng stress management. Both. Okay. Next natin. Answer here. Sir, bakit siya nagbibigay ng antibiotic therapy? Hindi naman ang cause ay infection. Pwedeng magkaroon ng infection kasi meron tayong ulceration. Mas malala lang sa ulcerative colitis. Okay, answer natin dito ay letter C. Walang kinalaman yun sa antibiotic therapy. Number 33. If a client had irritable bowel syndrome, which of the following diagnostic tests would determine if the diagnosis is Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis? Anong sagot natin? Colonoscopy with biopsy. Number 34. A patient with chronic alcohol abuse is admitted with liver failure. You closely monitor the patient's blood pressure because of which change that is associated with liver failure? Hypoalbuminemia, increased capillary fragility. C. Abnormal peripheral vasodilation, excess renin from the kidneys. Answer natin. 34 is letter A. Tama? Hypoalbuminemia. Pag may hypoalbuminemia, meron bang ascites? Yes. Merong edema? Yes. Ang diet ng liver cirrhosis, therefore, ay low sodium din? Yes. Okay. Number 35. Ano yung ginagawa natin for ascites? Ano yung aspiration of the fluid, parascent. Anong important intervention or health teaching before paracentesis? Empty the bladder. Meron bang cavity na nag-separate ng GI and GU? Wala. Okay. Number 35. Sharon has cirrhosis of the liver and develops ascites. What intervention is necessary to decrease the excessive accumulation of serous fluid in her peritoneal cavity? Less street fluids. Answer is letter A. Next, number 36. Mr. Gray is admitted to the hospital with extensive carcinoma of the descending portion of the colon with metastasis to the lymph nodes. The nurse administered neomycin sulfate to Mr. Gray operatively to answer. A. Decrease the possibility of cause of UTI. B. Increase production. Walang kinalaman sa vitamin K, si neomycin. C. Destroy intestinal bacteria. D. Decrease the incidence of any secondary infections. Anong sagot natin? Sabi natin, neomycin is easily absorbed in your intestine to make the sternum more sterile. So kung hindi sterile kasi pwede magkaroon ng infection. Mas specific yung letter C. Diba? Mas specific yung letter C. Next natin, number 37. After surgery, Mr. Gray asks what effect the surgery will have on sexual relationships. The nurse should tell him that A. Sexual relationship must be curtailed. B. He should tell his partner about his surgery prior to sexual activity. C. He will be able to resume normal sexual relationship. Letter D. The surgery will temporarily decrease his sexual impulses. A, B, C, D. Letter? Yung letter A at letter B, saan kaya yan? Pag meron kang operation na may kinalaman sa puso, di ba? Kailangan decrease ang sexual activity. You could return to normal sexual activity after you could already have 2 flights on the stairs na wala kang pagod, di ba? Meron yung ganun na discussion natin. You could return to sexual activity after 2 flights of the stairs, pataas pababa, then wala kang pain na naramdaman. Pwede. Yung A at B, so more on heart surgery. The answer is letter C class. Wala namang kinalaman. You could go back to your normal sexual relationship. Answer is letter C. Answer letter C. 38. If during the colostomy irrigation, Mr. Gray complains of abdominal cramps, the nurse should letter A. At A muna bago mo siya iklam. Answer letter A. Lower muna bago iklam. Number 39, letter A, 18 inches. Diba? 18 inches. Okay, number 40 na tayo. Number 40. So you have here Miss Smith, meron siyang acute attack of ulcerative colitis. She has been worried about her 2 children and calls her mother frequently for help. She recently pleaded with her mother to come and live with them. Mr. Smith objects to this, goes out alone quite often, and does not seem to take any interest in the children. To give complete nursing care to Miss Smith, the nurse should side question. Side question ito. Anong sagot natin? Ha? Side. Ano ba yung general rule natin when communicating to your patients? Ano yung general rule natin? Ha? Sulat ang care sa papel class. Care, C-A-R-E, pababa. General rule. Meron tayong mga kailangang tandaan yung therapeutic communication. However, nakakalito kasi yung therapeutic communication natin. Kasi halos pare-parehas ang definition niya. Now, hanapin lang ang care kung saan ang nagkikare sa pasyente. Letter C, clarify. Clarify and validate feelings. Clarify and validate feelings. Letter R, recognize. Okay, R, recognize and reflect. Nasaan yung nagre-recognize ka and nagre-reflect ka? A pala yung next natin. Sorry, not care, cure pala. Cure, sorry, cure. U is use silence. Letter C, clarify and validate. U, use silence. Kung ayaw ng pasyente, hindi mo pipilitin. But use silence, but you need to express your presence. Use silence, but express presence. R, yung recognize and reflect. R, recognize and reflect. Okay? And letter E, encourage verbalization. Letter E, encourage verbalization. So yan lang ang hahanapin natin, okay, when we are asked about therapeutic communication. Although marami tayong techniques dyan, offering general needs, di ba, clarification, and so on. So ano muna dito ang gagawin natin? Okay, understand the client's emotional conflict, okay? Recognize his or her own feelings toward this client. C, talk with the client husband and mother. D, develop rapport with the client's physician. Una-muna, di ba, you have to acknowledge the feeling by recognizing. Answer is letter B. Before ka mag-educate, kailangan, you have to recognize, okay, I understand. Okay? Yung letter A kasi, conflict ang sinasabi doon. So, recognize the feeling mo na, okay, acknowledge mo na ganyan yung feeling niya. And do not belittle. Di ba bawal yung belittling? Bakit yung ibang pasyente natatanggap naman? Mali yun. You are belittling the feeling. So, you have to recognize the feeling first. Answer mo dyan ay letter B. Letter B. Correct yung letter A, C, D, but before you do that, recognize first the feeling. Next natin. After recognizing the feeling, pwede ka na dyan mag-clarify, mag-validate muna. Number 41. Yes? Ano yan? Teka lang. To give complete nursing care to Miss Smith, the nurse should, letter B, recognize his or own, yung feelings ng nurse toward his client. Diba, ano yung una natin yung pre-interaction, kailangan mo, meron siyang self-aware, self-awareness. Yung pre-interaction, ano yung tatlong phases natin? Pre-interaction, orientation, working, at saka, so, ano yung pinakamahabang phase? Working. At saan yung problema mo ay rejection? Rejection. Orientation. Yung problema natin ay dependence. Termination. Saan yung mag-review ka ng records? Wala pa kapang interaction. Pre. Okay, pre. Saan yung magsasabi ka na itong relationship na to ay mag-e-end din sa ganitong month? Orientation. Okay, sige. Pwede. Okay, answer is letter B yan. 31. The symptoms that a nurse should expect when assessing Miss Smith on admission are letter A. Diarrhea, anorexia, weight loss, abdominal cramps, anemia. Signs and symptoms of ulcerative colitis. Bakit may anemia? Bakit may anemia, class? Kasi merong bleeding. At saka isa pang reason, bakit may anemia? Kasi decrease ang absorption, di ba? May bleeding kasi may anemia kasi may bleeding, and another reason kasi decrease ang absorption. Okay, next natin, wala namang hemoptysis dyan, wala namang leukopenia, wala naman merong leukocytosis, anorexia, weight loss, pero mas kompleto yung letter A. Number 42. A serious complication of this disease is perforation. Next natin. 43. Miss Carter, the mother of 2 children, has infectious hepatitis. Miss Carter's children are given gamma globulin to provide passive immunity, which A, B, C, D. Passive immunity, passive at saka active, passive at saka active. Saan yung ating tetanus toxoid? Active, passive. Tetanus passive, active. Active, nagbigay ka ng antigen to stimulate your body to produce antibody. Tama? Yung ating passive, nagbigay ka na agad-agad ng antibodies or serum. Yung example mo yung anti-tetanus serum. ATS, di ba? ATS. Ano yung in-skin test doon? ATS or tetanus toxoid? Kasi ang binigay mo ay antibody serum na baka gawa sa chicken, beef, or egg. So you want to check for allergy. Pero yung active mo, ang binigay mo doon ay antigen. So that your body will be stimulated to produce antibodies. Ito yung ano yun, yung EPI natin. Lahat ng nasa EPI ay active artificial vaccine. Tama? Ano sagot dito? Letter C. Answer, letter C. A and B, ang description niyan ay active. Okay, letter D, walang kinalaman yung antigen-antibody union at hepatic enzymes. Okay, answer is letter C. Letter C. Anong type ng antibody na nakuha sa mother sa breastfeeding? Natural, passive. Ayun, nagkasakit ako, sickness. Active, natural. Okay, active, natural. Ay, yung diphtheria, DPT. Active, artificial. Yung active, artificial. Okay, next natin. 44. When caring of Miss Carter's, the nurse should take special precautions to hepatitis. Infectious hepatitis. Infectious hepatitis. Use caution when bringing body food tray to client. Wear mask and gown before entering the room. Hindi naman contact yun. Use gloves when removing the client's bed. Di ba sabi natin body fluids? Answer is letter C. Yung letter B is more on respiratory infection. Number 45. 45. So you have here vomiting, parastol, ascites, long-standing poor nutrition due to excessive alcohol intake. So probably meron na siyang liver cirrhosis. 45. The pathophysiologic problem in cirrhosis of the liver causing esophageal varices is? Answer natin, portal hypertension. Answer is letter B, portal hypertension. Pwede ba, meron din kayang, ano yun, yung angioma? Spider angioma? Yes. Hemorrhoids, pwede? Yes. 46, letter B, ammonia. 47, characteristic signs that are direct result of liver insufficiency may include A, anuria, pag may renal problem, di ba? Chronic renal disease, anuria. Letter D, blepharospasm, blepharospasm, eyelids. So probably hindi letter D. Diba? May problema ka electrolyte imbalance siguro or a muscle disorder. Anong sagot? B or C? Letter B. Ayun na yung clue na din. Hepa, liver. Diba? Fetal hepatitis, you cannot metabolize. That means you could not metabolize. Okay, yung letter C dyan, that is lump in the throat. Okay, lump in the throat yan. Answer, letter B. 48. Plus, yung clue mo, yung mga words. At hindi mo alam yung sagot sa number 47, nakita mo na yung hepa, liver na. Di ba? 48. When Miss Kid is able to eat, the most therapeutic diet would be... Answer natin dito. Letter... May ascites, low sodium, protein tolerance, moderate fat, high calorie, high vitamin, and soft. Answer is letter B plus. Okay, answer letter B. Yung letter C kasi dyan is up to 1 to calories, di ba? High calorie tayo. Letter A, that's already progressive kasi meron na tayong black tarry stool and ascites, so nasa late na yan. Number 49, considering the diagnosis, the nurse should assess Miss Simon for liver cirrhosis and hepatic coma. Answer natin. Uremic frost ba? Uremic frost, pag meron tayong advanced stage ng renal disease, di ba? Because your body could not eliminate already your waste product. Okay? Letter B, urticaria. Saan yan? Urticaria. Anaphylaxis, di ba? Anaphylaxis. A is renal disease. B, anaphylaxis. Hemangioma, that is probably normal, di ba? Answer is that icterus. Ano ibig sabihin ng icterus? Jaundice. Icterus or jaundice. Diba? Icterus or jaundice. Answer is letter D. Letter D. Icterus is jaundice. Okay, saan usually discuss yan? Plus dun sa hepatitis. Sa hepatitis, meron tayong dalawang stage. Ano yun? Yung pre-icterus at saka yung icterus stage. Pre-icterus, makinig class, hepatitis. Okay. Hepatitis, 2 stages. Pre-icterus. Pre-icterus, wala pang jaundice. Okay, wala pang jaundice. Ano yung makikita sa pre-icterus? Mga early signs lang. Anorexia, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, pwedeng merong diarrhea. However, later on, pag nagkaroon ng liver damage, meron ka ng icterus phase. Icterus phase, meron tayong jaundice. Okay? Meron tayong jaundice. Saan pa makikita yung pre- and icterus na discussion? Leptospirosis. Makikita rin yan sa may leptospirosis natin. Leptospirosis is caused by your bacteria. Sulat ka lang. Hindi ko dala yung ano ko. Leptospirosis caused by your bacteria, si Leptospira interrogans. Okay? Your Leptospira interrogans. Sulat nyo lang dyan. Kahit wrong spelling, tignan nyo mamaya sa internet. Leptospira interrogans. Okay? Leptospira interrogans na bacteria. Common cause of your Leptospira interrogans, of course, sa ihi ng daga. Pag-flood, pwede rin sa soil, pwede rin sa contaminated soil, and pwede rin sa contaminated food and water. Pwede rin sa contaminated food and water, yung Leptospira interrogans natin. So your Leptospira interrogans, the number 1 cause of death is renal failure. Number 1 cause of death ng leptospirosis natin ay renal failure. Same with ano yun, yung may butterfly rush? SLE. Same. Number 1 cause of death ng leptospirosis ay renal failure. So meron siyang pre-icterus phase din. Sa pre-icterus phase, same lang ng signs and symptoms of infection. Para kang may dengue. May fever, may abdominal pain. Okay? Same ng signs and symptoms. But the very distinct sign ng leptospirosis is presence of myalgia. Myalgia. Myalgia, masakit ang muscle at kasukasuan. Myalgia. M-Y-A-L-G-I-A. Myalgia. May muscle and joint pains. That's very specific sign of your leptospirosis. Now, if you want to diagnose as early as possible your leptospirosis, ang kukunin mong specimen ay CSF. Okay, to diagnose your leptospirosis, ang pinakaunang kukunin mong specimen para mas maaga natin ma-diagnose, for early diagnosis of your leptospirosis is CSF. Okay, bakit? After 3 to 5 days, makikita mo na ang Leptospira interrogans sa CSF. So, ibig sabihin, maglulumbar tap tayo. Maglulumbar tap tayo or lumbar puncture test. Position, lumbar puncture, sagot? Side lying, and then fetal position, shrink position, C position between L3, L4, and L. Ilang bottles ang kailangan? 3. Okay. After lumbar tap, ano yung instruction sa pasyente to replace the CSF? Increase oral fluid intake. Anong position after mag-lumbar tap? Supine. So, supine. Kung mayroong spinal headache, anong bibigay? Paracetamol. Perfect tayo. So, una kukunin mo dyan ay CSF. Kasi bakit? After 5 to 7 days, saka makikita ang Leptospira interrogans sa blood and urine. And we want to diagnose as early as possible your leptospirosis to prevent renal failure. That's what happened to one of our students dito from EDUC, di ba? Kasama namin sa badminton, coach nila ako sa badminton. Because of that, hindi na-diagnose as early as possible na leptospirosis yon. So if you want to diagnose, CSF ang unang kukunin na sample. Next natin, after your diagnosis, meron kang icterus. Okay? Yung icterus phase na. Sa icterus, jaundice, ano yung signs and symptoms? Jaundice at saka bleeding. Jaundice, bleeding, and renal failure. Jaundice, bleeding, and renal failure doon sa leptospirosis. Jaundice, bleeding, and renal failure sa icterus phase na yan. So, kailangan ng early dialysis? Yes or no? Yes. So, kailangan i-monitor ang creatinine? Yes. Okay, drug of choice for your leptospirosis, your penicillin. Pero bibigyan mo rin siya ng doxycycline. Sulat yung medication natin, penicillin. Number 2, your doxycycline. Doxycycline, pwedeng gamitin yan as a prophylaxis. Pwede gamitin yan na prophylaxis natin. So for example, you want to go to Manila at baha-baha doon, pwede ka mag-take ng doxycycline 1 week before entering an endemic area. Kung saan mataas ang leptospirosis. So doxycycline is used as what? As a prophylaxis. Ginagamit natin yan as a prophylaxis. Pero doxycycline pwede ibigay sa buntis? Pwede ibigay sa buntis? Kasi ang doxycycline ay tetracycline. Di ba yung tetracycline? Tetracycline. Ano yung gagamitin mo to drink tetracycline? Gagamit ka ng straw because it can cause staining of the tet. Di ba? At bawal din sa bata because it can cause tet-lethal growth retardation. Tetracycline. Tetrogenic effect. Bawal sa buntis. Okay, gagamit ng straw, may kakaroon ng staining of the tetracycline at bawal sa bata because it can cause tetracycline is tet-lethal growth retardation. Same with your doxycycline. Okay, perfect. Yan yung ating leptospirosis. Plus, lumabas sa exam. Mataas kasi ang cases. Lalo pag November ang board exam, lalabas yan kasi bakit? July, August, September, baha-baha doon sa Manila. Ang nilalabas dyan yung mga trends and issues natin na lumalabas. Okay, next natin. Okay na tayo doon sa CSF, sa icterus meaning jaundice. Number 15. Liver cirrhosis may promote varicose vein because of kasi pag may portal hypertension, di ba, increase ang backflow ng dugo, ano mag-i-increase? Hydrostatic or oncotic pressure? Hydrostatic. Pag sinabing hydrostatic, pushing or pulling? Pushing or pulling? Pushing. Kasi yung pulling, pulling, oncotic pressure, nang may pakana ay yung protein na albumin. Answer letter B. Answer letter B.